Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on Bumble application. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open your Bumble application. Tap on profile icon on the bottom left corner of your screen. Tap on your profile picture. Click on edit profile. The picture written with main is your profile picture. Click on your profile picture once again. Tap on delete photo. As you can see, after I deleted my profile picture, the second picture here in my profile immediately became my profile picture. So you can keep this as it is, or you can upload it from gallery. For that, tap on plus icon. You can either upload it from Facebook, Instagram or your gallery. Here I am going to upload it from my gallery. Tap on save. Then you can swap it with your current profile picture. So that is how you can simply change your profile picture on Bumble application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and if it was, hit the like button and comment below your feedback and questions. If you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any update.